Many operators see the value of having only one or two in-house contractors to manage the maintenance of their assets, to minimize costs while improving safety, quality and productivity. We have established highly skilled teams, sometimes from scratch, to perform these comprehensive maintenance contracts, including at the world's largest refinery and petrochemical complex. They cover all daily tasks and shutdowns across the entire facility. Our integrated approach, incorporating a single point of responsibility, smart systems, multi-skilled labour and automated equipment, has proven to reduce maintenance costs by over 20% and numbers of personnel on site by over 25%. Streamline your daily mechanical maintenance by engaging CR3, the leading provider of total plant maintenance services. Visit cr3.group for more information.